Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Example, L equal to 10 star 1 plus 0 star 101 star. So these two are different language. Okay, these two are different language. For this, the minimum pumping length we have got 3, and for this also we got the minimum pumping length as 3. For these two language we have seen in the previous lecture. Okay, so the minimum pumping length here, these two are different language. So minimum pumping length. So minimum pumping length here is 1. Minimum pumping length is 3. Okay. So only for distinct language you apply this. If it is a, let's see, one thing what you can do, whenever, if you don't know the formula, if you forget it, then there is a simple method. You just write whatever the strings in the language. Okay, whatever the strings is in there, you just write it like 1 1 101 1001 0101. So 00101. You consider it as a one language only and just write the string and then apply the logic how to find that. First you start from 1, then 2, then 3, like this only. So that way also you can go ahead and you will get the correct answer only. Okay, am I clear to all of you? If you remember it, if in your mind, then you use that formula. Otherwise what you can do, you can just write the strings that in the language and then try to find it. Okay, both is going to give you correct answer. Sabko clear hai na? So what we can say that the pumping lemma was just doing what the pumping lemma was doing. It was just doing the finding the it was finding the pattern. So we can say that pumping lemma. So you can give a note and as a conclusion you can write. So pumping lemma is finding a pattern, finding a pattern in the language. So what was the pattern? Pattern क्या था जो repeat हो रहा था? That was y star. Okay, y is the pattern and we were doing the y star. ठीक है? So pumping lemma we can say that is finding a pattern in the language. So there is one when we can say that a language is regular. See, pumping lemma, we are having pumping lemma to show that a language is not regular. Okay, so but in exam, just to find the minimum pumping length, we are going to use the pumping lemma. But to check whether a language is regular or not, we are going to use the shortcut method because it is going to take long time. Okay, that now I will teach you how to check whether a given language is regular or not. So with pumping lemma, we can prove it. In your semester, in your college, you used to use pumping lemma to prove that a language is not regular. But in GATE exam, we are not going to use that proof because it is a lengthy process and it takes time. Okay, so we are going to use some other proof. So what are some proof? So for a given language, when we can that language is regular, we can simply, if we can simply give a FA, we can say that a language is regular. So a language is regular. Language is regular if we give a FA for a language. If we give a FA for a language, then it is regular. And you know that always whenever the language is finite, tell me, whenever the language is finite, it is always going to be a regular language. Whenever the language is finite, whenever the language is finite, whenever the language is finite, the language is regular. Whenever the language is finite, the language is regular. So for always you can say that whenever you are saying they are asking in GATE exam a finite language, they've given you finite language and they are asking whether it is regular or not. Strictly just close your eye and say yes. Always the finite language is going to be a regular, because for every finite language we can give a finite automata. Because finite automata was always doing a counting a finite number of elements. It can count, it is having a finite memory. Okay, finite automata is having a finite automata is having a finite memory. It is having a finite memory. Only finite number of things it can count. Finite automata is having a finite memory. It can count only finite. It can count only finite symbols. It can count in only finite symbols. It will not count I will give some other in other. So it can count only finite symbols. Okay, it can count only finite symbols. Now, now if you want, you even know that for infinite memory, for infinite string like a star, we can give a fa. How? Just accepted epsilon any number of a. So this language is an infinite language. So for infinite language, when we can give a fa, if we are having a pattern inside it, then we can give a fa. Okay. So if a language is finite, then it is regular. But if a language is infinite, then it may or may not be regular. If a language is infinite, you will check. See, now I am teaching, then I will give you the example. Okay, if the language is infinite, then the language may or may not be regular. It is very important. In your GATE exam, they will ask for 2 marks. If the language is infinite, then if a language is infinite, then the language may or may not be regular. May or may not be regular. If you find a pattern inside it, if you find a pattern inside a language, then we can put the pattern in the loop. Then we can put the pattern in the loop of fa. So we can get a. So if we find a pattern inside a language, then we can put the pattern in the loop of fa. So we can give a fa for this kind of language. When for a language, if we get a pattern inside it, then we can give a fa. Otherwise, we will not able to give a fa. Am I clear till this point?